Hi, good morning. It's lunchtime now, and we're live in my news feed. We just did the live video performance in our Brain Chain pages, but I wanted to do this in my page because I know that a lot of law students right now, or taking up law school, or about to take up law school, are following the personal page to understand the journey. And not everyone is inclined to it. Not everyone is okay. Is having a really easy journey. I know that for sure, and that's the reason why we're here. So we want to test drive the skills. Last week, I did the 144 rules of court, and they would say, "Oh, because it's relevant to you, and because you're interested in knowing it." Now, I did challenge one of our coach, and I just gave this to him this task 2 days ago. And I was surprised last night that he did his live video performance of the summary for the Bill of Rights, which is, of course, it's something profound to do it, especially knowing that he's working 8 to 5 and he's also running his business. He's a plantito business with all his cactuses and other stuff. So he's also trying to balance a lot of things. We know that with law, or the study of law, or any other exams, or any other courses that would require entrance exam, would require time. And of course, you need to also gain your sanity. You have to also safeguard your sanity, your mental health, despite all the things that you're facing as a person. So we're just happy to do this live and share it to my feed, and to show you that this is really done with the application of the techniques that we use. And mind you, it's my midterms. On top of my digest and midterms, I am facilitating this, and I'm still doing classes and other stuff. But I just want to let everyone realize that even if you don't have the luxury of time, yes, there is still a possibility of coping. As long as you know, if you have like weapons, or techniques, or you have all these instruments that would make you study smarter, or study in a short period of time. So Coach Johnrey will have his blindfold. Why do we use blindfold? The blindfold is, I know that somebody has questioned us in our page, like, why do you have to have this blindfold? It is very essential for us to do the focusing. I also get nervous. I was also invited to memorize things in a minute, and I'm shaking and I'm shivering. So this is also for him not to be distracted, and also to rule out the possibility of, like, for you to think that he has cheat boards, is cheating. That's why I will ask him, apart from his blindfold, he will be covering it with his two hands to make sure that it's ensured that he's not doing anything. So you can show your blindfold, Coach Dunray, that there's nothing there. You're not, yeah, there's no anything there inside. Of course, you can't read even closer, right? Okay, so he'll be performing to you the 1987 Constitution, Article 3 Bill of Rights summary. The only thing that we need to do here is for him to be able to give back to us the certain section and what is the section all about, because you just want to go specific on a specific detail. So this is about organization of thoughts, building of mental cabinets. I know that some of you would say memorization is not important for any other study. You just need to familiarize and understand. But our contention is how much of this information you understood can you remember and retain. And the language of the law is beautiful for you not to be able to say it in your own words, but the verbatim or total explanation of it will also help you enumerate the requisites, a specific requisite. So he'll showcase to you later a verbatim, a verbatim showcase of one of the sections. We'll ask him to just try one, and then that's it. Okay. So mind you, he only got 3 hours to do this. Like yesterday, he did the live performance, and now it's just a check of his retention. So Coach Jane, are you ready? Can you just introduce yourself to our friends?
Okay, so good morning, everyone. So my name is Coach Johnrey, one of the senior coach of Brain Training School, and also I was once a student here on Brain Training. So yeah, let's see if I've got the technique. So if the
Okay.
technique is really working here. Okay.
So this is live. This is not pre-recorded. There is no editing. And I'm also nervous, but got things perfect in the two other pages. So let's see. Okay, Coach Jerry, just please put on your blindfold. I'm now sharing you the Bill of Rights. Okay, please cover your eyes properly. I am going to pin the video as well. There. Now, Coach Jerry, you have not done this in Iloilo page and Brain because I asked you randomly. Now, chronologically, can you please enumerate and dictate to us the short title provisions of the different sections of under Article 3, the Bill of Rights of the Philippine Constitution.
Okay, so Article 3.
Louder, yeah.
Okay, let's start. Okay, Article 3, Bill of Rights, Section number 1. Section number 1 is the right to life, property, right to life, liberty, and property, and equal protection of the laws. Section number 2 is warrant of arrest, search and seizure, probable cause, and warrantless arrest. Section number 3 is the privacy of communication. Section number 4 is the freedom of speech, the right to a free press, freedom of assembly, and right to petition. Section number 5 is the exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without discrimination. Section number 6 is the liberty of abode and the right to travel. Section number 7 is the right of the people.
You can breathe, coach. You can
to inform.
It's okay.
Section number 7 is the right of the people to information on matters of public concerns shall be recognized. Section number 8 is the right to form union. Section number 9 is the right to just compensation. Section number 10 is non-impairment clause. Section number 11 is the free access to courts. Section number 12 is the right of the person under custodial investigation. Section number 13 is the right to bail and against excessive bail.
Sorry. Wait for me to scroll up. Okay, now yes, coach. Section 13.
Section 13 is the right to bail and against excessive bail. Section number 14 is the right of the accused. Section number 15. Section number 15 is the writ of the habeas corpus. Section number 16 is the right to speedy disposition of all the cases.
Of the cases.
Section number of the cases. Section of the cases. Okay. Section number 16, 17. Section number 17 is the right against self-incrimination. Section number 18. Section number 18 is the right to public the right to political beliefs and aspirations. Section number 19 is the prohibition against cruel, degrading, or inhuman punishments. Section number 19
20.
is
Your number 20.
20, sorry. Section number 20 is non-imprisonment for debts. Okay. Section number 21 is Section number 21. Section number 21 is the right against double jeopardy, and section number 22 is ex post facto law and bill of attainder.
Right. And I forgot to record it. It's okay. We'll just do it on YouTube. Okay, to challenge you.
Yeah.
Since I know you enumerated it, let me see if I can ask you at random. So you either give me the provision title or the number provision title. The right against self-incrimination is what section?
This is number 17.
Very good. The right of the people for information on matters of public concern shall be
Number 7, section number 7. Section number 7.
Thank you. Yes. Freedom of speech, right to free press, freedom of assembly.
That is section number 4.
Very good.
Section number 4.
Section number 9.
Section number 9 is the right to just compensation.
The rights of the accused is in what section?
14. That's number 14.
Okay. The right against self-incrimination is what number?
17. Section 17.
Very good. What is your section 15?
Section 15 is the writ of the habeas corpus.
Very good. Let me try. Can we try to recite word for word the section 14 of the Bill of Rights, because it is one of the longest provision. I'll stop sharing and I will now be giving you straight from the internet. Okay. I already highlighted it just to make sure I can see it. Okay, straight from the internet. Can you now give me the section 14.1 and point 2 of the Bill of Rights?
Okay, so Article 3, Bill of Rights, Section 14, the right of the accused. So Section 14.1, no person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law.
Good.
Section 14.2 is in all criminal prosecutions. The accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved, and shall enjoy the right to be heard by himself and the
Good.
council, to
Good.
be informed of the nature of and the cause of the accusations against him, to
Yeah.
have speedy, impartial, and public trial, to meet the witnesses face to face,
Good.
and to have compulsory process to secure attendance of the witnesses and the production of the evidence in his behalf.
Good. Last sentence.
However, okay. However, after the arraignment, trial may proceed notwithstanding the absence of the accused, provided that he has been duly notified and his failure to appear is unjustifiable.
Good job. Congratulations, Coach Johnrey. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Next time, watch out for our other coaches. They'll be giving you a showcase that's relevant to their courses. One of our coaches will be memorizing the square root from 2 until 50. So show you that the constants for math is easier. Also for engineering students, those sciences and maths, or those with general allied sciences and maths, GAES, engineering and earth sciences. I think it's GAES. I did do that with one of my students. Those who are about to take up the engineering exams, architecture, interior design, those who need to have constants in math. One of our coaches, who's a teacher by profession, will be doing that next week. They're only given
Yes.
sorry yeah, they're only given one day to do that. So I'll be releasing the material only on Monday, so she can perform on Tuesday. We also have to be very strict with that because we also have to enforce our credibility as coaches. We don't say that we're already very intelligent, we're very good at this. Only when we implement the techniques on the material, then we will be able to remember it fully. So we also have to implement the material because we're also very honest that if without the application of the techniques, we will not be able to hold on as many information as what we showcase. So that's also one my case.
Yes.
After this, I'll just be starting to study. I'll just start study for the midterms, and of course, there are professors that require us to remember the provisions as well because it's an encouragement. So let's see. And then I just showed you that it's not just Coach Amy can do that. The rest of our coaches are also very capable of teaching the techniques. So what are we and we're just inviting you to join us if you think that you have friends or other relatives or people that you know who are in need of these techniques or who need help, who needs confidence in performing an exam or answering the exam or just want this skill for boosting of confidence and giving his edge in academics. Please visit our website is still under construction. Sorry, our Facebook pages. We have two Facebook pages. We also just got open. We just opened our another unit there in New Zealand, and we are soon launching. We just soft launched in America, but our venue or an office there is in installation. So most probably it's functional by November. So we're just happy that we're expanding not just in Philippines but across the globe. So thank you so much for supporting us, and I hope to see you again in our next Facebook Live featuring Coach Presley and Coach Judy, Coach Gigi, and of course, Coach Chen. And Coach Angel will have a special performance. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone. Have a good lunch. Thank you so much, Coach Janet. Good job. Good job.